In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present your UI UX design on Behance, Figma tutorial. By the end, you'll have an interactive prototype from Figma embedded directly into a Behance project, so viewers can click through your flows and experience your work as intended. Start by opening the Figma file that contains the design you want to showcase. Make sure you're on the right page or frame for your case study. Then switch to preview mode so you can see exactly how your prototype behaves. This is the same view your audience will interact with, so take a moment to click through your key screens, confirm transitions and overlays, and make sure your starting frame is correct. When everything looks good, look for the Share Prototype option in the preview window. This is where you'll generate the code that Behance can embed. Open the sharing panel and choose the option to get the embed code. You'll see a snippet of code that includes the prototype URL and size settings. If Figma offers scaling or fit options here, pick the one that mirrors how you want it to appear on your Behance page. Then copy the code to your clipboard. Next, head over to Behance and sign in. From your dashboard, click Share Your Work to start a new project. This opens the project editor. You can add your usual images and text if you'd like, but for the prototype, look for the embed option. Click it and a field will appear where you can paste what you copied from Figma. Drop the embed code in and Behance will generate an interactive preview right inside your project. If the preview doesn't load, double check that your Figma prototype is shareable and not restricted to your team only. You can also fine-tune the size by editing the width and height values in the code to better match your layout. After it loads, scroll through your project to see how the embed fits with any supporting visuals or descriptions you plan to include. A short introduction above the embed helps viewers understand what they're about to interact with, while captions below can highlight flows, design decisions, or accessibility considerations. That's it. You opened your design in Figma, previewed it, grabbed the embed code, and placed it into a Behance project. Give everything a final review to ensure the interactions feel smooth and the frame sits nicely on the page. When you're happy with the result, you're ready to publish. Congratulations on presenting your UI UX design on Behance with a fully interactive Figma prototype.